take a look at what it takes to move pool equipment. So we're starting from this location. Now you can see we've already got started moving it, but the heater and the control timer still over there. You can see where all the pipes were previously connected. We've already moved the pumps. So what does it take? Well, first thing we got to do is move the electrical. You can see this is where the old power supply used to come in. We've got light, spa light, and then the power to pick up the pool light, which was on the other side of the yard. And we're gonna move it. So this is what it takes. First thing we had to do is pick up the gas, dig a new line for the gas, which you can see, and it's got to go all the way around to where the equipment is going to be set, right there where you can see put my finger. And then we had to pick up every one of these pool pipes, and this is what it takes to do that. Every pipe that goes to the pool, we had to bring them out. You can see where we've labeled them, and then they are wrapping on around our ditch, back up to the house where we've got our new pad. And this is where we were able to pick up our electrical coming from the house. We were able to tie it in. It comes from the opposite corner of the house, goes under this slab, and comes out right here. So we're picking it up, gonna put it in a junction box on that fence so we don't have to run a new wire the entire length, save them a little bit of money. And we'll tie in right there on the fence and then bring it back into the ditch and go back to the house. So it'll knock about 80 feet off of the wire using number 8 electrical wire. And then we'll come follow the pipe up, and this is where it'll all stub out. You can see we've got some equipment setting here, and we'll pick it up. So we look over the yard, you can see lots of ditches, lots of dirt. It's quite an endeavor to move it. And as we were doing it, this particular light used to be in a junction box right here in this corner, and we moved it over here to the post where it would be way more usable instead of sticking up in the middle of the yard. Because we moved the light cord, or the light junction box, we also had to put a new pool light in. So the new light is in place. The same with the spa light. It used to come up inside the little covered area over there, but now that spa light, you can see it traces in the ditch. That's the copper, and it'll go all the way around. It's in copper so that it's well grounded in case there's ever a electrical short. Nobody will go home to be with Jesus because of that. So at any rate, if you're thinking about moving your pool equipment, be sure you think about it, because it is quite the big job. Thanks for checking in. Catch you guys later.